Hi guys, now I'm going to solve the question number 9. So what we are doing here, actually we are calculating the square root of a number. Okay. So in this question, it is the question number 9, and before that 8 question I solved. So you can also watch that. So for your basic understanding, and this is the step 1 which I am going to explain you what actually how this code is working, and how you can calculate the square root of a number, right? So in this step I'm going to explain the step 1, what actually happening there, and define the number whose square root you want to calculate. Okay, first. So what I have done, variable number is equal to 25, right? So in this step you define the number for which you wanted to calculate the square root, and in this example we are using 25. Okay, we are using 25. After that, step 2, come to the step 2, and what actually happening in the replace 25 with the number for which you wanted to find the square root. Okay, so in this step 2 what is happening, right? We like a where square root we are just passed. So here we use the math dot sqrt. It's a function to calculate the square root of the number. Okay, the result is stored in the variable, right? In the variable square root is equal to math.sqrt. Okay, and number whatever you want to put. So I explained you, right? Now we come to the step 3, what actually happening there, right? So in the step 3, so I'm explaining in this finally we use console.log to display the result, which include the original number and its square root, right? Original number and its square root. So when you run this code with the number set to 25, okay, set to 25, it will calculate the square root of 25, which is 5, right? Square root of 25 is 5, and print the result as square root of 25 is 5, right? So yeah, so this is the thing which I explained you, and you can watch again if you wanted to, if you are unable to understand. Okay, so let's meet in the question number 10.